Okay, for the in this project, we're going to be using a resource file, and in this project, the resource file is just a picture file. So you can see, as always, you have your start file like in previous projects, but then you have a resource link as well. And this is where the picture is located. So I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can get it from this link, but I think it's easier. I just provided you with the resource file right within Blackboard so that you don't have to maybe go through this process. But if you click on the resource link, you'll see it downloads this file for you. So I'm just going to open this up. And it's actually a zipped folder, so you kind of have to go through a process to like extract the zipped folder. You know, you can put it someplace. I'll just put it on my desktop for right now. And then you've got to go to your desktop and you've got to find it. And here's a little resource file. So it's kind of a lot of work. So I've just put the resource file right in Blackboard for you, so I'll show you. Okay. You'll see right here, this is the video you're watching now. And if you just take this file and you can just right click on it and choose Save Link As. And then you can put it, you could put it in your pictures folder if you want. You could put it wherever you want. And I've already downloaded it, but you really have to make sure that when you save it, like don't let it have a parentheses 1 or 2 or 3. It's got to have this exact file name. So I'm going to, obviously I already have it saved. And so then when you actually go through the project, when it asks you to insert the file, you could just go find that file that you want to use. All right, so it might be a little easier just having the file here than having to download it for the resource, through the resources. And if you have any questions, as always, please let me know. But just make sure you know where this file is before you begin the project.